Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that whenever people say something to you, when they're angry, they're holding in stuff that they wanted to say to you for a long time, which is right. So go ahead and check out his video because he said what he was doing was using fabricated story. He wasn't being real, at the time when he was going after them. He just made up something, but they, said stuff that they wanted to say to him for a long time. But so just go ahead and watch the video now, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment on the video. Click that notification bell so when I post, have a wonderful, wonderful holiday, Jamaica.
This would be beyond disgraceful. And I don't care what none of you says. Stop writing it's a prank, it's a prank. Listen, in all honesty, I don't feel this is a prank. I feel like this time it's genuine. However, back to what I was saying. When I came out on my other live and I said, guys, please fix this. In pranks, listen, me and someone we're doing pranks with each other, right? And in the mess, they was telling me things they wanted to tell me for so long. Bear in mind, all along I was thinking it was a prank, and it wasn't a prank. For them, for me, I was saying fabricated things. However, for them, they wanted to tell me things they wanted to tell me for a long time. Hence why I said, whilst these things are happening, people will tell you things they've been holding in their belly for a long time. I got cursed out as if to say I was saying anything wrong. I said, guys, I love you guys. But again, I was told, you don't love us. On one of their lives, I heard one said, I thought he said he was straight. I'm like, mighty God. However, I didn't retaliate. I didn't react, because I was too enough, and I was too inquisitive, and I should have just let it go, because I did see a lot of people saying it's a prank. However, what made me believe it? What made it believable for me? Before I got the information that Dwayne it was a prank, was the fact that I saw chocolate and vanilla in the comments. And I'm like, wow, maybe it's real. Hence why I took to my live and I did my big speech. I said, guys, please fix this, because, when we're doing these things, people may tell you things they wanted to tell you for a long time. Look at where they are now. Look at what is happening on social media. I genuinely feel sorry for them. I really do. I really, really do. As I lift my hand to the good Lord above, I really do feel sorry for Omar and Kemar. I do. I feel like they got built up and then ripped back right down to size. They got built up and ripped right back down to size. But Omar and Kemar, I'm gonna tell you guys where you went wrong. You went wrong by allowing someone you don't know from a can of paint. Bear in mind. You guys don't know him. You guys don't know Majesty from anywhere. So why on earth would you sign over your page? Whether you have 5 followers, 10 followers, 15, 20, 100. Whether you have 100 followers or not, why would you sign over your page to someone you don't know? It's like you sign over your life. You know, you signed over your life. Guys, if this is a prank, if this is a daddy might ask. I feel like they have daddy issues. I feel like they have daddy issues. How on earth? I'm very sure both of you are young men. Both of you are young men, right? Both of you are young men. I don't know if your parents are deceased, but I'm very sure you have your parents. So how on earth you're gonna call someone you don't know from a kind of pink daddy? I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm never gonna call no man or woman mommy or daddy except my own parents, my mom and my dad. Maybe they have daddy issues. I don't know. But that's beside the point. That is beside the point. The fact that they found someone they put their heart and their trust in to the point where they can call them daddy. It shows the level to how much they perhaps cared for each other. I don't know. I'm just an outsider looking in. I'm only an outsider looking in. I don't know the type of conversation they have on the phone. I don't know what they're telling each other behind the scenes. That's none of my business. That's none of my business. But to each his or her own. Back to what I'm saying. Why on earth would you guys sign over a page someone you don't know? From a can of paint as well. You know funny thing? Guys, I don't care if Majesty casts me for this. I don't care if he casts me for this. However, Majesty approached me as well. Him said, "Daughter, I can't help you now, but you'll have to go sign over the page." I said, "Mr. Darling, I'll think about it." I'm so happy I didn't, because look what's reached them. I don't know if the same fate would have reached me too. I don't know. I don't know. Who's to say? Who's to say? Who's to say that perhaps would have never reached me too? Thank the Lord I'm not a person. Listen, I ain't running down no clout. I'm happy with the few of people I have over here watching me. I'm happy with the little views I get. I'm not looking no knowings, no clout, no nothing, my God. I am great. So I am thankful. I didn't listen. And allow you to have access to my page. And Majesty